Sample collected from tank 7. Density is within optimal range. Good.
Maintain the current algae flow rate.
As the culch is lowered, the automated system distributes the larvae. The addition of epinephrine then triggers the crucial metamorphosis into spat.
Flow rate on silo 4 is normalizing now. Okay, I've got the sample from silo 3. Looks good. This panel is full. Okay, I've got it. Lowering the next basket now. All right, team, keep the tension steady on the east side. Crane, lower another 5 meters. We need those clips secured now.
The tumble operation is crucial, forcing the oysters to develop a deeper, more cup-like shape for quality pearls.
Spraying now, clear the sediment. This one is flagged for shape.
Dropping it in the secondary chute. The oysters are carefully loaded into the conditioning tanks, where a flow-through system gradually adjusts their environment.
The turquoise waters hide a meticulously organized operation, a testament to industrial-scale aquaculture, a high-yield factory on the water.
This state-of-the-art ROV represents the future of aquaculture, clearing the lines with surgical precision and efficiency.
Buoy secured on deck. All right, let's get this data pulled. How are the oxygen levels looking? Levels are nominal, ready for redeployment.
This is the harvest. Once the divers send the mature oysters up, the surface crew works quickly to sort the valuable crop into baskets.
All right, bring it up slow. Watch your clearance on the stack. Okay, easy down, easy down. We are clear.
Inside the processing plant, the first stage is a powerful, automated washdown system.
After the bleaching cycle, the pearls are automatically transferred to a neutralization tank filled with a mild acid solution.
The pearls are fed into a dry, rotating polishing barrel with bamboo charcoal. The barrel rotates slowly, polishing the pearls to a brilliant finish as workers inspect them. The drilled pearls are transported via conveyor to a final cleaning station. They are dipped in a gentle ultrasonic cleaner to remove residual drilling dust and particles.
All secured. The papers match the manifest.
Confirmed. Safe travels.
Here they are. Thank you so much for your purchase today.
Thank you. My wife is gonna love them. The sample is analyzed for particle size distribution, confirming it is well within the strict specifications required for pharmaceutical use. Inside a cleanroom facility, the nacre powder is being processed for pharmaceutical or advanced medical applications.
The acoustic image shows a full count on this line.
Data stream is stable. We have a confirmed 5,000 units.
This ultra-pure water is essential for the final pearl washing, chemical mixing, and laboratory use. This room represents the pinnacle of controlled environmental management, essential for the nucleating process.
The delicate spat are layered with nutrient-rich seaweed and damp towels, then sealed in insulated containers for their journey to pearl farms across the globe.
This upward trend in pearl yield is excellent.
Absolutely. Now, optimizing the seeding protocols will ensure we maintain that luster quality while keeping costs low.
The culmination of a 90-step process, transformed from a microscopic larva into a $1 million gemstone.